Hey, you got Dan the Rockman, and I'm here in the Midland Gem and Mineral Society workshop. Kind of take a look around. Awesome. Okay, we're going to be going and slabbing some rock, and I just wanted to kind of show you a little bit here. It's very, very important on doing this is that when you put your piece in, you go ahead and you block it on the other side so you have even distance. Make sure I have my camera in there right. And we're going to slab this here and get a nice slab, and then we'll be able to use a trim saw over here and trim it out to make either a cabochon or a setting for a ring and that. So let's follow through and get it going. Put the top down. One thing to remember is after you turn these on, wait about 5 minutes before you open it up. Let all that oil, because these are oil saws, let them kind of dry off a little bit. So I've got another saw going too, and we are catching some beautiful pieces of agate right there. Wow, that is going to be nice. So I just put a piece down in here. Got cat litter to kind of absorb and get all that oil off of there. Let's go ahead, shut it down, and get it cranking. And head tightened up the screw. Got it in there. And let's go. Alright, it's a little bit noisy, but let's come back to this one and see what we did. Alright, as you can see, beautiful stone. Alright, we're going to kind of move it back and then go ahead and readjust. Forward a little bit. Yeah. Unlock this screw right there. And then we're going to crank it out. I need to make sure I have it. Grab preformed right there. Looks pretty good. We'll crank it on down. Check our plug nuts, and then this is going to go in the kitty litter. Close it down and get it started. Okay, so I've got the agate here that we're working with, that we went ahead and cut, and I just wanted to show you some of these pieces. Beautiful. There you go. And this is Cathedral Agate. This one has a druzy in it. Let's get it in focus there. So I cut several pieces. I've got, let's see, basically 4 pieces of this Cathedral Agate right here that we can do something with. It looks like a little bit of citrine in there. Beautiful colors. They got reds, creams, a little bit of green. Now, once I've got it cut like this, this one's kind of off piece, as you can kind of see. It's an off piece right here. It's not going to be the same thickness all the way through. That was my first piece that I cut off of that. So probably won't be able to use it for any jewelry, but I can use it in tumbling. That would be a good piece for tumbling. Now let's take a look at our Green Tree Agate right there. Hopefully you can see a lot of colors in there. Let's kind of wipe it off just a tad and try to get it back in focus again here. So I've got some green and red in there. Okay, there's another piece. And this, you know, with fall coming on, you've got the fall colors in that. So making jewelry would be pretty nice to make something, either a ring or a pendant. Again, here I have 4 good pieces, and the first cut was a little off, where it's not the same thickness all the way through. So I won't be able to really use that for jewelry. But it's pretty big, so I'll show it to you in just a second. There you go. And these pieces are anywhere from about 2 to 3 inches. Here's that one first piece that I cut off of this one. This is Green Tree Agate. As you can see, thin there, thick there, and that was the first piece. So it's kind of hard sometimes to get these pieces in the saw for your very first cut to have a perfect cut on it, and then once you have it in there, you can just keep on cutting and get the right thickness on every single one. Okay, tell me in the comment section below what you think I ought to do with these as far as making cabochons or rings and jewelry with it. I'll probably put maybe a couple of pieces on the website and sell it, so if you're interested in a piece, I can put that. I'll give you a link to the site and you can buy it. All right, talk to you guys later. Just real quick, I'm going to go over some of the forms that you can get. Okay. Ooh, there. We're going to have to kind of back it out just a little bit. Let's see. There. You can go on to Amazon and pick up these templates and that for your jewelry. There's square ones right there. Here's some round ones. And here's some oval, okay? So all kinds of sizes and shapes and that, from very narrow on to a little bit more rounded. And that. So if you're going to be making jewelry, you need to have one of these so that you can have that template. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and please comment below. And let's go on to the next. With winter coming on, I'm going to go ahead and be working more with smaller pieces rather than the big pieces, and be making some jewelry with it. So be enjoying that. I may do some international travel and do some rock hounding overseas, and that I will let you guys know about that. That will be coming up hopefully this winter. All right, talk to you guys later. Thank you, and signing out. Bye.